Hi everyone, Cindy Squirrel here. Well, there's no garden here per se. Because we're moving halfway through the summer, so I planted everything in containers this year. But I thought I'd show you that you don't really need a garden. Here's my step. And as I look to the left, I see two plants. It's not supposed to be plants growing through this stone, but anyways, there's two plants. Both of them edible. Everybody knows the dandelion. Pick the young, pick that, little guys. Not when they're old and crunchy. Pick them, throw them in your lettuce salad. And then we have this one. This one is quite often confused with wild lettuce, but it's sow thistle. You see there's no sharp spines up the spine of that. And that's how you tell the difference between wild lettuce and sow thistle. This one is sow thistle, and it is edible. A little prickly. I guess if you cut the prickly parts off. Now let's see, how far can we go? Oh, you only have to go this far. And look at all this. Hey, anybody know what this is? I always call it lamb's quarter. Some people call it pig's weed. But most people pull it out of the garden. Now if you turn it upside down, you see that nice white powdery stuff on the back, you know it's lamb's quarter, because you really don't want to mix this up with nightshade. Nightshade doesn't have the powdery thing on the bottom. Now this plant, I knew someone that she cans this. This is wild spinach to her, and she cans it. She doesn't plant spinach in her garden. She picks this. Grows everywhere. You just wash it off. And she cans it and she puts it. I had the most delicious lasagna, and I thought it had spinach in it. And after we were done, she goes, "No, you were just eating lamb's quarter, and you wouldn't know." It was wonderful, and it grows in abundance. So why pick it out of your garden and plant spinach? Just leave that row of spinach out and just go collect this for yourself. Okay, I didn't have to walk very far. All the way to the other end of the house. And let's check. Nope, not wild lettuce. But here's this beautiful daisy. Now go down to the bottom of your daisy, and you can pick the bottom leaves off the daisy and put them in your salad. If you have a lettuce salad, throw some of this in. And while you're at it, grab some really nice young dandelion leaves. There, oh, those are young. Throw that in your lettuce salad. So remember in one video I was talking about vetch and how hard it is in the whippersnipper? This is vetch, this beautiful purple flower here. And it grows, oh, it's just like a mat. I'm not sure if it's good for anything, but this, if you let the cows out to pasture, this was what they ate first. They'd eat all of the vetch first, and then they'd eat all of the clover.